Hey everyone, welcome to our special Christmas in July stream. This is going to be talking all about all the amazing Bucilla designs that we have right now on plaidonline.com. So if you are looking to take advantage of some good discounts, this is the time. We have some stockings, we have this great wreath, we've got some ornaments, the largest ornament set I think we've maybe have ever done. And there's just so many exciting things right now. So right now, if you're shopping this stream during the time that we're going live, the time that this video is taking place, we have a Bucilla sale that is up to 50% off all of these amazing designs. And when you go to the landing page on plaidonline.com, these are some of the designs that you're going to see. You've got stockings for under $30, which is a great deal. You've got ornaments. There's so many great sets that we've got to get through. So let me go through some of these really beautiful designs, and then we're going to talk about what you get in a Bucilla kit. Maybe you've never done a Bucilla kit before, or you're just a little curious about what comes in each of the kits before you make that purchase. So let's talk about some stockings. So the first one I want to talk to you about is Santa's Holiday Bakery. Look how fun this is. This is such a fun and modern design. Look at all the detail on this stocking. This is one of the most jam-packed designs that I think we've ever had. Look how beautiful and colorful this is. You have Santa, who's a master baker here. He's piping some frosting onto his gingerbread friend. It's got this cute little embroidery on his apron, Santa's Bakery. He's covered with all kinds of sweets and goodies. He's got this beautiful three-dimensional basket of cookies and a candy cane. Look at that. That is so cool. All those pieces come off. His apron is totally three-dimensional. He's wearing these adorable little reindeer slippers. And look at all of these little sweet confections around him. Look at that gingerbread house. And then you have kind of a traditional little nameplate for us. Usually our stockings leave space at the top, at the very top of the design, where you customize with a name. But this one's a really nice one. This one actually has a little banner. It's almost like a bakery sign. So if you didn't want to put a name on it, you could put Santa's Bakery instead of putting it down here on the apron, and it would look kind of like a storefront. You've got this beautiful lattice stitching on the top with the beautiful sequins and beads, just the traditional Bucilla stocking. So this is an 18-inch stocking. It's a full-size stocking, and it's just gorgeous. Again, this one is Santa's Holiday Bakery. This one is exciting too because we have matching ornaments. So a lot of our Bucilla designs, if there's a stocking or a wreath, a lot of times we have matching ornaments or something that coordinates. Like basically, if you wanted to have a ton of different Bucilla designs in your home, they would work really well together because we do make them with that in mind. When we're designing these stockings, we do kind of think that if you want this Santa's Bakery and you also want this Midnight Ride wreath, that is something that will look great in your home regardless. But we do have exact matches, and this is a little set of 6 ornaments. Most of our ornaments come in a set of 6, and look how adorable these are. These are like little gingerbread cookies. You got a little gingerbread Christmas tree here. We've got a cupcake and a candy cane, and then that little gingerbread house that is echoed from your stocking here. So these are great whether you are doing a tree or a gift set for someone. I also recommend these as kind of a first time dipping your toes into the Bucilla design land. So this is something that you could get and kind of get an understanding of what Bucilla kit takes, the different stitches. Maybe you're a beginner and you've never done anything sewing related or embroidery or any kind of felt crafting. This is a great little set. A great little set to get, and you get this matching, motif. So if you are wanting to have that really beautiful, cohesive Christmas look in your home, this is a great set to get. So again, sold separately, but they coordinate really, really beautifully. These are great for name tags, for little ornaments, just to give out single ornaments as gifts. Bucilla takes a lot of love and care to get these kits made. So when you do smaller pieces like this, these are great little giftables that you can give to someone and know that you handmade this for them and it's custom to them and it's something that they'll pass down for generations. The greatest thing about Bucilla is that they are personalized and everybody has a story of a memory of a grandparent or a mother that has made a special piece for them. So again, these are the bakery designs, and they are super cute. Let's move on to a different stocking, a totally different look. This one's going to be Evergreen Holiday Elegance. In the past few years, we've been doing some that are kind of these tonal red and green with a pop, and they're just very minimalist, and they keep to that traditional Christmas color scheme. So I really love these because they are just basic, but they're very elegant. They have kind of upscale designs, more of an adult theme. So, you know, if you were doing this bakery stocking for a young girl named Penelope, this would be a great one. But maybe if you are doing it for an adult in your family or someone else that is a friend of yours, this is a great design to do. So you've got so much beautiful detail, but kind of a simplistic design. So you've got this big ribbon that goes the length of the stocking, and then it's accented by some holly berries and some evergreen, which, look at the dimension on the evergreen stitching. You actually sew with two different colors of floss, green floss, so that it looks dimensional. It's a really, really beautiful, beautiful design. All right, another one in the bakery theme. This one's going to be Holiday Handmade Cheer. So really, really adorable. This time you've got a snowman, and he's got a fresh pan of cookies. He's got a cute little apron as well, a great scarf, and a matching baker's hat. And then again, he's surrounded by all kinds of presents and treats, and even this three-dimensional tag. Look how adorable this little gift tag is, baked with love on this little box of gingerbread goodies. This is such a cute design. Again, you've got that customization band up at the top with the holly berries and the holly leaves, and then some snowflakes all around your snowman. So maybe you have some other snow-themed Bucilla ornaments or stockings at your home. This is a great stocking to go along with that, because we do have motifs that kind of stay in their realm. So snowmen, we usually back on this light blue color. So if you do have another snowman design, odds are it's going to be on this beautiful blue, and they will coordinate so well together. All right, the last stocking we have to talk about today is going to be Little One's First Noel, which depicts this cute little baby deer, this doe, being held by Santa, and it's just so beautiful. Look at the birch trees that are in the background. I love this stitching design on the trees. You've got some little snowflakes in the background, and then you have a really beautiful full-sized Santa. Look how detailed he is. He's got a really beautiful face. Look at those cute little puffy eyebrows and a great beard and mustache. Beautiful dimensional hat. Then you go into the little deer with its little embroidered spots and its cute little ear that is 3D. Then you have Santa crouching in the snow. So it really looks like Santa is sitting here on a little snowy hill holding this baby deer. So it's just a sweet little design. All right, let's talk about some of our wreaths. So this is a really pretty wreath. This one is going to be called Moonlit Sleigh Ride. And this one, I'm trying to get these little stars to lay flat. So these are meant to be hung either on a door, an interior door. You don't want to put these outside, but maybe if you have a storm door on your wooden door, this is a great thing for that, or just to hang on the wall or over a mantle. So this is a beautiful, deep ultramarine blue felt. This is a really beautiful color, and it's accented by these special star sequins. So these aren't just basic little cupped sequins like on your moon and stars. These are actually star shaped with little clouds, and then you have 8 tiny reindeer on Santa's sleigh. So you've got Santa kind of whizzing at the back here, and then the deer go all the way up towards the moon. So this is a really beautiful 3-dimensional piece. Again, you're going to get everything you need to make this. So this is a great, great kit, and it's very impactful. And look at these cute little stars that hang. When it's hanging on a wall, they kind of dangle, and they are embellished with some sequins and beads, so they have a nice shine to them. And then, of course, the reins that Santa's holding from the sleigh, these are actually sewn in so that they can move around. So if you don't like the place or the position of them, you can kind of tug them and put them in the right spot, which is a really kind of cool 3D element. All right, the last set I want to share with you is one of the biggest ornament sets I've personally ever seen. So this is called Modern Merry Minis, and this is a set of 24 ornaments. This is brand new for this year, and these are a really good size. A lot of times when we do mini ornaments, they're in our advent calendars, and they're super, super tiny. But these are kind of a big size. They're kind of in between those super tinies. Like this is a standard ornament. These are those standard bakery ornaments. So these are almost the same size. So you're getting such a great value for this kit. And again, you're taking advantage of that sale while supplies last and until that sale is over. So make sure you're taking advantage of these discounts while you can, because if you are an avid Bucilla stitcher, or maybe you've just jumped into our Facebook group here and you want to know what's going on, these people in this group, they know exactly the designs they're looking for, they know the sales, so you want to get into this community. The Bucilla group here is such a great community to be a part of. I'm still going here. I'm still setting all these out, which is crazy. But make sure you are a part of our Bucilla group, because not only will you get help if you are brand new to Bucilla kits, the Bucilla group here on Facebook is a great community to learn from, but they also will give you tips, pointers, support, and just share other designs. Maybe you'll discover new designs that you're on the hunt for. So these are some beautiful ornaments. Look at the beautiful array. You've got an angel, a little girl, a gingerbread girl, a teddy bear. You've got some beautiful like standard ornaments, these like old shiny bright style ornaments. You've got some candy. You've got little swirled peppermints and candy canes. I love this one. This one's one of my favorites. This little ice skate, a little peace dove, a gingerbread house, a stocking, two little snowmen, or a snowman and a penguin. So there's just so much to get. You're getting 24 ornaments in this set. And again, this is one of the largest sets I've ever seen. And this is great for doing present toppers, to give these out as individual gifts. Maybe you are a grandparent and you've got a lot of grandkids to sew for. This is a great little set to give a little piece of a treasure of handmade magic to your kids and pass them down through generations. This is something that people save for years and years and years, and Bucilla has been around for nearly 200 years. So it is a very beautiful legacy brand, and we're so happy you're a part of it. So if you are brand new to Bucilla, I want to do a quick unboxing of what you get in one of our great Bucilla kits. I'm going to start with a stocking set. This is Santa's Candy Christmas. And when you open your kit, you're going to get this really pretty full color illustration. And this is something you don't want to throw away. I think usually when you get a kit at home, you kind of throw the packaging away. But the Bucilla diehards will know that you do not want to throw these away, because this is a great reference as you're stitching. And it also has some great guides on the back of how to stitch all the different stitches, little markings that show you what you can expect to see in the very detailed instructions, and colors, all kinds of information on here. Then you're going to get your full instructions, which typically include your instructions, your written instructions, as well as a full-sized black and white rendering of your piece, whether it's ornaments or a stocking. So this is basically a 1-to-1 scale of your stocking, and it shows you all the numbers and stitches that you're going to work on during this Bucilla kit. And then, of course, you're going to get your felt. One of the things we pride ourselves on is that you don't have to transfer your design to your felt. The design is already transferred, so all these little pieces will be noted in the instructions whether you should cut them out ahead of time or cut them out as you go, depending on the type of project. So typically you want to follow the instructions all the way through. You don't want to just start cutting. You want to start reading those instructions, and we're going to give you that step-by-step. Cut this piece, cut that piece, sew this piece together. So if this is something you've never done before, maybe you have like a basic knowledge of sewing, this is a great way for you to jump in and take on a great project like this. So you get all of your stamped felt, and then you get your components. So this is a little bag of components. And this is going to be all the little tools that you use to sew your kit together. So first you get all of your floss. So this is beautiful colored embroidery floss, and it comes in a big bundle. And each of the strands is actually multiple strands of your floss. So when you separate out the white, for example, you don't just start stitching with this one piece of floss. You actually separate it further. There's a bunch of little strands in there, and that is how you will embroider. And then this is one of the biggest things. All of your beads and sequins come pre-sorted. Some of our competitors, they send you everything in one bag, and you have to spend a ton of time piecing out the green ones from the blue ones and the gold ones, and it's so frustrating. But one of the things we pride ourselves on is we give you exactly what you need, and they are separated. And then we give you an assembly needle and an applique needle and an embroidery or bead needle. So you're getting everything you need to assemble your stocking and then go back and embroider and add those beads and sequins. You also get, depending on your kit, you get specialty sequins and beads. So these are some little pearls, some mini pearls that go with this design. Obviously that is different depending on what kit you get. So that is kind of a general idea of what you get in a Bucilla kit. Remember that this sale here is going, check out plaidonline.com. If you're watching this way after we premiere this video, you may not be able to take advantage of that sale. So check plaidonline.com as soon as you are seeing this video so that you can take advantage of these great deals and discounts we have and kind of celebrate Christmas in July with us. This is the time, if you are a diehard Bucilla stitcher, you'll know that this is the time to get started on those projects, to get them done by Christmas, especially if you're working or you're working on other projects. So take advantage of these sales, get them home, and you will be able to make these kits in time for Christmas. So until next time, we will see you guys later. Bye, guys.